Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Build It, Newcastle in KZN.
In the year 2000, I opened a Build It store on another premises. We were very small and we grew so much that we moved to this premises in 2008. And last year, we won the Store of the Year award and they picked me as Mr. Build It. What makes me proud of my store is that it is very seldom that we don't grow. And I'm very proud on the service that we give to customers. When people buy Plascon products from me and they want it tinted, I'm not going to charge them the tint. In town, there's only me with the tinting machines left. The Plascon brand overall is a brand that you don't need to wonder if it can do the job. You will never be disappointed in the product because Plascon is paint, and paint is an image. The image for people who get proud of their homes. I'll say the plaster primer. And the reason for that is that I'm selling a lot of that. Normally the DIY guy not always knows what to use. And when they tell you they want to paint on perspex, you need to know what answer you must give them. Build It Newcastle? Yes, we can.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got